Before going to sleep today, you'll hear what your day would be like if you were a soldier in World War II. Sleep tight? If I were a soldier in World War II, my day would not begin with sunlight. It would begin with cold air. And the same question every soldier silently asks: will I live to see another sunrise? War changes time. Minutes feel like hours. Hours feel like days. And every day feels like a life of its own. This is how my day would unfold. Part 1. Dawn in the trenches. Morning in the trenches is not really morning. There is no gentle wake-up. You open your eyes because the cold forces you to. The ground is frozen. Mud sticks to your boots. Your uniform feels like wet stone. You smell damp sandbags, rust, and gunpowder. Rats run along the trench walls. Shells rumble in the distance like endless thunder. I stretch my legs. They ache from days of marching. My hands are numb. My helmet is freezing. But I am alive. And that is enough reason to sit up. We check the trench walls. We check each other. A quiet whisper. You good? Survival begins every morning. Part 2. Morning duties. The day starts with routine. Simple things, but deadly if ignored. Clean the rifle. Dry the ammunition. Scrape mud off the barrel. Check your boots. Check your water. Breakfast is a cold can of beans. Maybe bread, if supplies allow. Coffee is rare. Water tastes like metal. Two soldiers talk. Think today's the day? Every day is the day, until it isn't. We laugh. Not because anything is funny, but because laughter makes fear feel smaller. Part 3. Letters and memories. There is one thing every soldier holds on to. Letters. I take mine from my pocket. The paper is soft from being opened 100 times. I read the same line again and again. A mother's handwriting. A lover's picture. A child's drawing. In this place, memories are the only warmth we have. I wonder what my room looks like now. If my bed is still there. If the world outside the trenches remembers I exist. A soldier fears only one thing. Not death, but being forgotten. Part 4. The patrol. At midday, the captain calls 5 names. Mine is one of them. We are going on patrol. We prepare in silence. Load the rifles. Check knives. Check maps. Check each other. Patrols look simple, but they are not. They are the deadliest missions of all. The forest is cold, wet, silent. Our boots crack the snow. Our breath floats in the air. A bird suddenly takes off, and all of us freeze. Every sound feels dangerous. Every shadow feels alive. Then we see them. 2 enemy soldiers, talking casually, their rifles hanging loose, their helmets shining in the weak sunlight. War becomes a decision. Do we shoot? Do we hide? Do we survive? We drop to the ground. We stay silent. War teaches discipline, not bravery. Not violence. Silence. They walk away. One soldier whispers, "Let's go home." Part 5. Artillery fire. When we return to the trench, the sky answers with fire. Artillery shells scream overhead. The ground shakes. Sandbags explode. Dirt rains down. Officers shout commands. Everyone runs for cover. Artillery is the true voice of war. Loud, merciless, unpredictable. A shell lands near my friend. Medic. We need a medic. Smoke, dust, blood. In these moments, you do not think. You move. Your instincts take over. The bombardment lasts minutes, but feels like a lifetime. Silence finally returns. We count ourselves. There are fewer voices tonight. Part 6. Nightfall. Nights in war are colder than mornings. Colder than fear. We wrap ourselves in blankets. A single lantern flickers. Someone plays a sad tune on a harmonica. A young soldier quietly cries. No one really sleeps. We rest with one eye open. I think about the world outside this trench. Warm bedrooms, moving trains, open markets, families walking freely. I wonder if I will ever walk like that again. In the darkness, war feels endless, as if dawn may never return. Ending. If I were a soldier in World War II, my day would not be a story of glory. It would be a story of survival. A day made of fear, courage, hunger, and hope. Hope that someday the world becomes peaceful again. And maybe, just maybe, I would live to see it. His works? For more immersive historical stories, like, subscribe, and tell me which era you want to experience next.